Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, cruise control, heated steering wheel, power windows, clock, compass, power brakes. Come see the car for yourself.